How to fix cloudy AI not reply problem. So guys, follow me my step and solve your cloudy AI not reply problem. So guys, follow me my step. First step, open your phone setting and search now. Search apps option. Search now apps option and click apps option and click manage apps option and tap search option and search now cloudy AI. Tap cloudy AI app and tap clear data option and tap clear cache option and clear data option. Click now and delete all data. OK option tap now. Go to back and open your Play Store app. Search now cloudy AI and update now your cloudy app and wait now. Check your internet and update now cloudy AI app. So wait now and cloudy AI app open now. Cloudy AI app login now and your problem 100% solved now. This video like now, subscribe now, comment now.